Hello friends, my name is Christopher. Today on Gardening with Children, we are transplanting out some small seedlings that we started indoors a month earlier from seed, and we're also going to put in some big seeds like peas in the ground. Stay tuned. My daughter Charlotte is a little bit camera shy today, so you won't see her as much in this episode as you have in the past. But nonetheless, peas are a terrific thing for your kids to plant. They are nice and big, so they're easy to grasp even at a very young age. If you've got a 1-year-old, they can do it, and it's exciting. My philosophy, well, one of my philosophies in life is it's okay to get your hands dirty, you know? So this is a really safe environment for kids to come out and play in the dirt, which is fun, right? We play with Play-Doh inside in the winter time. You've got nice loose clay soil here that kind of gives that same texture simulation for the kids, and seeds are just fun.
Do this.
You know what we got here? You know what those are? Peas, that's right. No, we don't eat them yet. Daddy's gonna dig a trench and you're gonna drop the peas in, okay? Are you ready?
Ready.
You're gonna hold a couple in your hand, you think? Can you put these few in your hand? Hold it out. Yeah. All right. And you know, if you get some extra peas growing where you didn't intend, that's okay. They'll be fine. So hold on, Daddy's gonna dig a little bit of a trench. Just wait until I give you the word. We have to create an area where these seeds are gonna grow. They're going to grow in front of these poles and then climb up a trellis. Can you say trellis?
What?
Yeah, a trellis is something that plants can grow up on. Okay, ready? Now you take them in your hand and one at a time, put them in. Put that one here. All right, that's good. And this one right here. Good. And the next one right there.
Okay.
Pea seeds are nice because they're pretty big. She could move these on her own when she was 1.5. So at 2.5, it's super easy. Do you remember doing this last year, Charlotte?
Yeah.
You do? Here, put that one. Okay, you can put that one there. Why not?
Let's go away.
Okay, here's more. Ready? Right where my finger is. Just one at a time. Just one. There you go. You see where my finger? Oh, nope. Try again. There we go. All right, put it right where my finger is. Right here. Right here. You gotta come down. There you go. Nailed it. And now we'll do the rest of the row.
You can do it.
Yeah. Here, I'll just finish this little chunk of monk. And we just use a little white line. Say that you help us with the whole thing. Okay, we've got our seeds in. Are you ready to cover them up and go pat, pat, pat? Here, yep, let's cover them up with some of the soil. Good, keep going. We don't need to dig it up. No, we're just covering, good. Let's go down the row like this. Ready? Cover, good. Okay, now let's go pat, pat, pat on everything. Ready? Let's pat, pat, pat. And then we'll cover it up with some leaves. Mm-hmm, good. Over here, nice. Okay, let's move down to the next section. Ready? Beep, beep, move ahead, beep. Good. Ready? Let's cover it up with soil. Bring some on top. Good. Very good. Yeah. Over there too. Good job covering it up. And we're going to pat, pat, pat. Ready? And can you do the leaves now? Cover it with leaves. Perfect activity for kids. They can certainly move soil. Pat, pat, pat. This is your patty cake in action. I mulch my leaves in the fall. These will break down slowly over as the season starts. And they do a really good job of squashing out weeds, but these seeds will just grow right on up through. And as you can see, she just went on right ahead without me. Easy activity that she's good at. Ready? High five. All right, we'll wash your hands off now. Get a good boy. We can't forget our 4-legged children. If you have a dog, by chance, they also like spending time in the garden. I've seen little dogs who like to dig holes that their masters can use, eat some carrots. My moose likes to add some nitrates to the soil and sniff out any bunnies. So this is a fun outing for them too if you can incorporate them in your garden. Right, bud? He's a good boy. And when it comes to transplanting these, it can serve as an educational opportunity. You can talk about, you know, the patterns of life and how something like this can start from a super, super, super tiny seed. Lots of good educational opportunities. In this particular episode, I don't get to have those on camera because Charlotte's a bit of a diva, but that's neither here nor there. Let's roll the footage. Ta-da! Look at those! You see them? You know what these are? These are cabbages and Brussels sprouts, and we started all of these seeds together. Wow! Those are those tiny little seeds that you and I planted. Remember them, that you picked them out? A little distracted right now. This is something that she would be able to do. I'm gonna do it myself, just taking these out and actually transplanting them into the garden. Brassicas are great. You can do them, 2 weeks or so before your average last frost date because they're so cold hardy. So I'm going to do that. She could certainly help. Once I dig the hole, she could even dig the hole herself. I'd put it in there and then she could help me push it down. She's a little distracted today because I'm filming this on a Monday. 2 days ago, Saturday morning, we had our second child. It's a girl, Louisa her name is. So Charlotte is now a big sister. So the Gardening with Children series is now multiple children, and it's very exciting. So I'll get these in myself. Thanks for sticking around. Yes, we are thrilled about our second daughter. Thank you very much. Thanks so much. If you like this, you know what to do. And until the next episode, happy gardening. Bye.